Japan's parliament on Friday raised the age of consensual sex from 13, which is among the lowest in the world, to 16 after unanimous support in the upper house. The historic reform also clarifies the grounds for rape prosecutions and criminalizes voyeurism. Human rights groups welcomed the reform and termed it a major leap forward. The age of consent below which any sexual activity is considered rape is different in different countries. India has set 18 as the age of consent, whereas it is 16 in Britain and 14 in Germany and China. However, under the law, juvenile couples with an age gap of less than or up to 5 years will not be prosecuted if both partners are above 18 years of age. The President of the United Arab Emirates or UAE told Russian President Vladimir Putin that his nation wished to strengthen ties between the two nations. UAE is one of the nations that has not joined Western sanctions against Moscow. Vladimir Putin thanked the President of the United Arab Emirates for his efforts in freeing prisoners of war in Ukraine and hailed what he said were expanding economic ties between Moscow and Abu Dhabi. Putin made the comments during talks with UAE President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan on the sidelines of Russia's annual economic forum in St. Petersburg, where UAE companies are prominent, unlike many Western counterparts who have stayed away because of the Ukraine conflict. Last month, reports emerged that a North Korean rocket was destroyed after its launch failed. Now, South Korea's Joint Chiefs of Staff said that they recovered from the sea part of a rocket used in North Korea's failed attempt to launch its first military satellite last month. The announcement came 2 weeks after North Korea unsuccessfully tried to launch its first spy satellite with the booster and payload plunging into the sea. The military said that the debris was salvaged on Thursday evening from the seabed about 75 meters below the surface of the west coast. They added that the search continued for additional objects from what the North said was a space launch vehicle. A powerful 7.2 magnitude earthquake struck off the Pacific island nation of Tonga on Friday. According to the US Geological Survey, the earthquake struck near Tonga in the South Pacific Ocean. US monitoring agency said that despite the intense tremor, no tsunami warning was issued. The United States Geological Survey said that the earthquake struck shortly after 7 a.m. local time at a depth of 167 kilometers, some 290 kilometers southwest of the capital Nuku'alofa. Chief meteorologist at the Tonga Meteorological Services, Gary White, said that there were no immediate reports of damage. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center said that there was no tsunami threat based on available information.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.